In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scatter chart in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so we can work right where your data lives. A scatter chart works best when your data is arranged in two columns, the left column for your x-axis values and the right column for your y-axis values. These should be numeric, so the chart can plot points accurately. If you have headers at the top, that's great. Google Sheets can recognize them. Try to avoid blank rows in the selection so the chart picks up everything cleanly. Next, select the data you want to plot. Click and drag to highlight both columns, including the headers if you have them. It's a good idea to keep your X values in the first column because Sheets uses that first selected column for the horizontal axis in a scatter chart. If your values vary a lot, make sure you're selecting a consistent range so the plot makes sense. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Sheets will drop in a default chart and open the Chart Editor panel on the right. If you don't see the panel, just double-click the chart to bring it up. In the Chart Editor, under the Setup tab, change the chart type to Scatter Chart. This tells Sheets to plot your data as individual points, showing the relationship between your two variables rather than connecting them like a line chart would. If your chart doesn't look right at first, double-check that your X values are in the first column of the selected range. You can also use the Use Row 1 as headers and Switch Rows Columns options to help Sheets interpret your data correctly. With the basic scatter chart in place, let's customize it for clarity. Switch to the Customize tab. Add a clear chart title that describes what the relationship shows. Then add axis titles. Use units and make them specific, like temperature, DGC, or sales, USD. Under vertical and horizontal axis settings, you can adjust the min and max, number format, and tick marks to make scales easier to read. If your values span a wide range, consider enabling a logarithmic scale where appropriate for better visibility. Style your points by adjusting color, size, and opacity so they stand out without overpowering the sheet. Turn on grid lines if they help with reading values, and position the legend where it doesn't cover data. Finally, drag the chart corners to resize it and place it where it complements your sheet. That's it. You've built a clear, informative scatter chart in Google Sheets.